Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to edit your TikTok caption. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it? First of all, click on this plus sign, and now I'm capturing a little video from here, and now I'm adding a caption. Hello, and here we can see I write a caption here. Now let's edit this caption. If you want to change the color of this caption, you can change color from here. Okay, and if you want to change the caption text style, you can change it from here. And if you want to change the alignment of this caption, you can do it from here. Also, you can add a stroke from here we can see. So then click on done. So this is how we can edit our caption on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it? Thanks for watching this video.